Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Galaxy S series of smartphones has been credited as the best Android smartphone for the last few years. Since the decommissioning of the Note lineup, the Ultra smartphone from the South Korean giant offered the best of both worlds, and this year, the company seems to be further pushing the envelope both in terms of hardware and software capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S24 ULTRA is expected to set a benchmark both in terms of features and specifications. Samsung's upcoming non-foldable premium flagship, launching at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2024. The year 2023 gave us a glimpse of what generative AI can do to our lives. And with the Galaxy S24 ULTRA, Samsung is likely to offer more use cases of generative AI by embedding the same within the smartphone. Samsung is likely to offer a few more use cases of the on-device generative AI technology. As per the leaks, Samsung is expected to offer features like an AI-backed wallpaper generator for easy customization, real-time voice translation, enhanced Bixby, and optimized smartphone performance. While these features might not sound that exciting at first, as some of these are already available on devices like the Google Pixel 8, with the Galaxy S24 ULTRA, Samsung will democratize these features, and more people will get access to the same. As these processes happen on-device, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, it will be more private and secure compared to similar services, powered by cloud computing. The iPhone 15 Pro currently holds the most premium smartphone tag, thanks to the use of titanium, which is lighter and more durable than stainless steel. Samsung, on the other hand, is also going straight from aluminum to titanium, which should get the same premium status as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Samsung Galaxy S24 ULTRA, despite looking similar to its predecessors, seems to pack better hardware and software with added generative AI capabilities. This means the Galaxy S24 ULTRA could easily be the most expensive non-foldable smartphone that Samsung has ever launched. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.